This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, ledger subledger concept we have learned. Straight. Fine. Next, ledger allocation rules. Whether I have explained this one? Anyone? Ledger allocation rules. We have understood like accrual schemes, am I right? Accrual schemes we understood. Ledger allocation rules we have not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this ledger allocation rule? What is this ledger allocation rules? Let us understand. Ledger allocation rules. So before understanding this ledger allocation rules, I will give you some story. I will explain you some story. So it is not relevant, but it will be applicable later. Okay. Suppose in a school, my child is studying in school, and section A, section B, and section C. Three sections. Section A, it is 45 students. Section B, it is 40 students. And section C, 35 students. You may ask, like, you can combine, like it is here also you can make 40, you can make 40, then it will be equal. But this section A is suppose Telugu second language, and here it is second language Hindi. This is also second language Hindi. Then definitely based on the situations I need to make it. And this is students are there. Now my child birthday, I have given like 3 packs I have purchased. Each pack has 80 chocolates. So total chocolates, if it is any spelling mistake, leave it. Total chocolates, it is 3 multiply with 80, it is 240. Okay, what she did it, one packet here, given here, one pack here, one pack here. Then here 80 chocolates. So teacher has distributed only one. Now remaining 30 out of 45, remaining 35 is lying with the faculty teacher. Here the teacher has distributed 2 chocolates. Here also it was distributed 2 chocolates, but extra 10 is available. After distributing 2 quantity for each student, extra 10 available. Here minus 10. Is it possible to make it pieces? Here it is available 35. Means only 1 chocolate distributed, because 2 chocolates it cannot be distributed to the students. Then it is a complex. So it is, if you want to distribute 2 quantity, then it is minus 10. Okay, one packet is wrong. Agree with me? One pack is not good. Agree with me?
Yeah. Yes,
So
sir.
what I have to do? How many chocolates I have to distribute here?
2.
How many chocolates I have to give here? Suppose
2.
instead of one pack, If I'm giving one pack to each class, there is a discrepancies. Then how many quantity here I need to provide? I need to give
90,
90 here,
80,
here
70,
70.
7.
Okay, is it fine? How you have arrived this quantity? What is the logic? How it was arrived? Okay, so for that, for this total students 120, total chocolates
240.
240. So if it is 120 students, 240 chocolates. If it is 45 students, how many chocolates I need to distribute? Then question mark above, question mark opposite, multiplication divided by opposite. That is, whenever you are learning 8th, 9th standard, you will learn 45 multiply with
240 by
240
120.
by 120. It is 9. Okay, in the same manner, you can do for remaining section. So this is mathematics. You should know this logic. Okay. So if anyone is not able to follow, then you need to rectify your mathematics. I know, as I told you, commerce means it is indirectly mathematics only. Commerce and mathematics, it is similar. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, why you are teaching me mathematics about this school, children? What is the logic? Okay, so now coming to this application, take the example insurance charges. Insurance. Insurance, it is same example. Suppose 2 lakhs 40,000 rupees, Indian rupees, INR. Company is paying for insurance company. One insurance company, for one insurance company, this client is paying insurance amount for on behalf of employees. Any company nowadays insurance is providing, am I right? Now in HR department, two people are there, or suppose 5 members are there. In finance department, there are 10 members. Sales department, 12 members. Okay, and then stores department, 8 members. Suppose this is 4 members. I'm taking 4 members. Next, IT department, there are 6 members. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm distributing by 5, divided by 5. 2,40,000 divided by 5. It is 48,000. I'm splitting 48,000 here. Expenses 48,000 here. I'm booking expenses for each department like this. I'm allocating the expenses, insurance expenses like this. Then HR department will happily accept, like, yes, 48,000 expenses is incurring for my HR department. They will accept them, right?
It is not
Or
correct. I think.
they will not agree.
Yeah.
If it is a sales department, there are so many members. Why are you allocating the amount for HR department 48,000? They will not agree. These people are okay. Am I right? There is a disturbances. Agree with me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
based on the weight, I need to. So now, what is the total number of employees? I need to verify.
40.
What is that? So
40.
14 plus 20, 34 plus 6, 40. Total employees 40. So for 40 employees, the expenses is 2,40,000. For HR department, 4 people, what is the expenditure? Then 4 multiply with, sorry, multiply with 2,40,000
by 40.
divided by 40.
It's like proportionate.
It is called proportionate. Yes, it is called proportionate. So now it is 24 by 4 means 6. So it is 6,000 multiply with 4, 24,000. Then it will be allocated 24,000 here. And here it is 60,000. Here it is 72,000. Here it is 48K is correct. Here it is 36K. If we calculate now, calculator, like 24 plus 60 plus 72 plus 48 plus 36, 240. So this is called fixed weight calculation. Actually proportionate, it is called fixed weight method. This is called fixed weight method. Suppose in finance department there are 11 members, I can change 11, then automatically it will be proportionate calculations will be changed. Finance department became, like, suppose 12 members and sales department has 10 members, then it will proportionately calculate based on the weight. The fixed weight means here the number of, it may be a number of employees, it may be any logic. It may be any logic. We have weight, it is not equal to 100. It may be any number. That is fixed weight method. Understood? Any questions in this one? Fixed weight method.
Yeah, it's clear, Satya.
Okay, fine. Let me show you in the system practically, and then we'll discuss. Once again, if you have any doubts, we'll discuss. Okay, let me show you first.
Satya, is it called as weighted average?
It's a kind of, but weighted average method is different. Okay, weighted average will be calculated in the inventory closing process. We can call it as, but it is called fixed weight method. Yeah, we can use average also, the
Yeah.
word, but slight difference will be there always. Yeah.
Okay.
So in the system, let us see. So if you are confusing about the calculation, I'll make 2 lakhs. Then it is 2 lakhs means 40. It is 5,000. Sorry, 2 lakhs divided by 40. Can I keep this one amount? Any confusion to everyone? Or you want me to modify the amounts because it is too many odd numbers? Is it fine? Calculation?
It's fine.
Or you want to?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
So because some people little bit fear about mathematics. Okay, fine. Let me show this. Now, general ledger. So while learning, you need to take simple examples. Once you learn, then after some time, you need to enhance your knowledge to complex scenarios. Always, first, you need to clear your mind in your mind about the fear about that any topic. Then you can easily understand. Because any topic, whenever our mindset, human mindset, whenever we are listening new topic, it will get tense a lot whether I am able to understand or not. So first, always low to high means easy to complex we need to change. Okay, fine. Now here in this allocations, ledger allocation rules. Ledger allocation rules. Otherwise, I will create new one. Better to create new one. Suppose insurance. Insurance fixed weight method. Okay, you can enable this activate. Go to general tab, and from the allocation method, I'm using fixed weight method. There are 4 methods available. One is basis, fixed percentage, fixed weight, equally. So we need to select fixed weight. Okay. Next, you need to select the journal name, allocation. Okay. Now you can go to source and you can mention the main account. For which account? So for better understanding purpose, I will create one main account. So that is in general ledger. Chart of accounts, main accounts. Suppose I'm just checking insurance, any available or not. Insurance expenses, it is available 606,200. Let me verify any transactions exist. So there are so many transactions. I want to create new one. 620 star. Okay, there is no account, like I'm creating a new one. 620,100 insurance expenses 2. Okay, it is expenses. Insurance expenses 2. I have created map. Now this 620,100 I'm mapping source. (620,100). Next, destination. Click on new and 620,100. So the first department is HR department. Let me verify HR department. Human resources. So how many people are there? It is 4 members. I'm entering fixed weight 4 members. Next, same 620,100. Next department, finance department. Finance department. It is 10 members. 10 members. Mapping 10 members. Next, sales department. 12 members. Automatically it is total weight, it is calculating. It is making total weight. Next, stores department. So I don't know whether stores department exists or not. If not, I will select any other one. Suppose client services, something, no problem. Okay, so here, how many people are there? It is eight members. Okay. Fine. Now it is up to 34. Next, IT department, it is 6 members. So total weight in total it is 40. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating some expenditure. General ledger, collapse all, journal entries, general journals. Click on new, general journal, go to lines. Suppose I'm entering for this account, it is 2,40,000 expenditure. It was posted. Actually, it is dollars. It is too much amount. Okay, no problem. Any number is fine. Okay, US dollars. Now I am posting. This is amount is posted. Now, if you verify the transactions, it will show you the amount 2,40,000. Not only here. If you go to duplicate, and if you go to trial balance, inquiries and reports, trial balance. So click on calculate. So if you filter by this account, it is showing parameters. 1 second. It is up to yesterday. It is mistake. This one, then click calculate. If you filter by this account now, today it was posted some expenses is 2,40,000. Now, if I am selecting main account plus department, is not there. Okay. So dimension set, it is not there. Let me create dimension set. Let me go to dimension sets. General ledger, collapse all. So chart of accounts, dimensions, financial dimensions I have explained. Dimension sets I have not explained. Let us understand. Dimension sets means it is combination of like main account plus financial dimensions. So I'm creating one new main account plus department. So I'm selecting main account. For reporting purpose, we need to do this one plus department. So look at this one. It is create balances, update balances. It is there. If I click create balances, it will be changed to update balances like here. So usually menu name will not change, but only financial dimension sets. Once if we click on create balances, this menu will be changed to update balances. Look at this one, rebuild balances. Whenever you are creating, it is create balances. So you need to click on create balances. It is a batch job. It is executing. It is a batch job. It will execute automatically. So it may take a minute or 2 minutes time. Let it be processed. Then create balances button will be renamed to rebuild balances. For this, there is a batch job services.msc. Services.msc. Here, one Microsoft batch job is executing. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Unified Operations Batch Management Service. This should be running. Then only it will execute. Okay. So this is services.msc. Whenever you are typing services.msc. Okay, this is in live server, you cannot do it. In only this is in your local system you can do it, but live server you cannot do it. Okay, I'm just writing the command. In your system you can see, but in your real-time scenario you cannot see that one because that is Microsoft managed. Logic is going there. Now refresh. Still it is processing.
Yeah, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Main account plus financial dimension is the definition for accounting structure also, no?
That is for accounting structure, but this is for reporting purpose. Whenever you are generating a report, I need to see the combination. Why we are creating accounting structure? Accounting structure is for data entry. This is for reporting purpose. Got it?
Okay.
We'll discuss once again on Monday in detail, in depth about once again financial dimensions, accounting structure, because that is most important for everyone. Okay, I will discuss once again on Monday about structures, Monday or Tuesday. Okay, let me try here. Main account plus department still it is not processed. No, still it is not completed. Give me a minute. So this batch job, if you want to see, you can go to system administration, system administrator, system administration, collapse all, inquiries, batch jobs. Okay, here the batch job is executing. Begins with, instead of begins, it is contains here dimension. It is executing this initializing of balances for main account. This one still it is processing. Why it is not started? Still is executing. Bajap is already that is now completed. It is ended one. So 2 times I have executed. See, it is updated already initialized balances. Now it will be available. Refresh. Now this is available, and you can click on rebuild balances and update balances. What is this? We'll discuss on Monday or Tuesday, and update balances also. Okay, this is behind the screen. It is going to update. So financial dimensions, accounting structure, and dimension set. Financial dimension set. Once again, we'll recap. Already it was discussed, and a few members are not joined at the time. So I will recap on Monday or most probably Tuesday. Okay, because this is most important. As I told you, it is accounting structure is your brain, how your brain is working. In the same manner in the system, it is brain. Like financial accounting structure is equal to brain. Okay, fine. Now if you go to the trial balance, if you select main account plus department, calculate balances. Now if you filter by this account, $620,100, as of now it is there. So it is like 24,000. Okay, at this point the amount is not split between the departments. Okay, now we have created one allocation rule, ledger allocation rule. Okay, fixed weight method we have created for insurance. Now you can click on process allocation request. So you can select here insurance fixed weight method. So till date it was calculating, and here post only, proposal only is there. You can use proposal only. First you can use proposal only. Okay, I'm clicking okay. Here are, this is also background process. If you want, you can enable that batch job. Now it is operation completed. Operation completed. What happened? Let us see. Now we can see the allocation journals. One journal got created just now. One journal got created. If you go to lines, this 2,40,000 was split into between departments. Okay, we can post now. So once it is posted, now if you go to trial balance, if you apply once again the same logic, calculate balances. Now if you filter by this 620100, apply, look at this one. It is for this account, debit and credit was posted 0. Now for department 22, sales and marketing, it is 72,000. For finance department 60,000. For IT department it is for 36,000. For HR department it is 24,000. In our example, stores I have written, but here it is client service because stores is not there in the from the drop down. I have taken this one 40. So while generating report for department 22, it will consider 72,000. Understood? This is allocation of expenses between departments. It is not only department, for anything, for any we can map it. Here while creating allocation ledger allocation rules, just for understanding purpose I have taken only department. You can select department with business unit, department with cost center, any combinations you can do it. Then those combination balances will be affected or allocated in the expenses. Is it clear? Anyone has any questions? The expenses are allocated between the departments, not only departments. Here you can allocate to any combination of dimensions. This is fixed weight. So one more method is there, fixed percentage. One more method is there, fixed percentage. So the main difference between fixed weight and fixed percentage, the main difference is in this fixed weight, it should not be 100. The total should not be 100. Whereas if it is a percentage, usually we will make it 100%. Okay, we'll discuss that one, fixed percentage. So fixed weight method we have done. So expenses entered. Once it is entered, we have process allocation request, and then while doing process allocation request, we have two options, whether you want to post or proposal. Both you can use it, either one you can use it. If it is proposal, it will create one journal name without posting. And you can verify before posting. You can verify and you can post. Okay, otherwise you can proposal, like whatever you are doing process allocation, you can do from here also by clicking new or not new. Here you can do from here, process allocation request. The same process allocation request you can do from allocation journals, or you can do from here. This is independently you are doing, or in the allocation journal also you can do it. And remember, this is not from date and to date. This is not from date and to date. This is till date, whatever the transactions are there, those will be distributed. All the transactions, whatever it is there, it will be distributed till date, up to date. It is not from date and to date.
Yeah, Satya.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. See, till date, in the sense, this allocation process will be running for each month, right?
It's not like month, till date. From
Okay.
suppose you have generated from January, like some transactions, the month of
Okay.
February you have seen, the month of June you have, April, March you have entered something, the month of April you have entered. Suppose like this month end you want to do it, yes, you can do it. Till date only.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
all the
If I run it in the, suppose today, in mid of the month I am running it, and after the mid of the month, by end of the month I have again booked some more expense.
yes.
If I want to run the allocation for the next 15 days, okay, for the only the remaining balance of the allocation, how the system will recognize those expense and do the allocation?
It will consider once again from the day one. You don't have option, that's what I am telling you. You don't have option to do for only 15 days. From January 1st, whatever the expenses are there, it will include all. Once again, it will execute from Jan 1st to like May 30. Earlier it is Jan 1st to 30, like 15th May or 16th May. Now you are executing for remaining 15 days also, means it is from Jan 1st to 31st May it will start. You don't have option to select immediate and quick. Got it?
Yeah, yeah. In the sense that it will always be taking the cumulative balance, whatever is available as on
Yes,
date in that particular GL, and it will do the distribution. Am I correct?
yes, exactly right. Exactly right.
Won't it be a duplication, Satya?
It will not be duplicated. It is anyhow it is calculating proportionating, right? Why it is duplicated? It is proportionate.
The process
All
is a
the
duplicate. It's
sorry,
not the amounts, but the process is duplication.
definitely yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So anyhow it is mathematical calculation, am I right? It is one single code. It will
Hmm. Hmm.
not create any problem.
Okay. Right. Thanks.
Okay, fine. Welcome. Now we understood about fixed weight. We understood about fixed weight. In the same manner, if it is a fixed percentage, suppose fixed percentage, you need to enter source, you need to enter destination. In the destination, you need to mention the percentage. Okay, rather than this one, I will give you another example. Okay, equally means you are entering source 1 and destination you are not mentioning any percentage. You are not mentioning any percentage. Here, if you enter like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combinations, 6 combinations, sorry, total 6 combinations, then it will be divided by 6. If you enter by 5, it is divided by 5. If you enter by 4, it will be 4. You will not have option to select percentage. Understood? This is equally distributed. If it is fixed percentage, it is percentage. The percentage you need to mention amount. You can enter percentages instead of weight, like you need to enter the percentages. That's it. Okay. So 3 methods, it is simple. 3 methods, it is simple. You can play with the system the way how I have explained. The same thing you can play. Fixed weight, fixed percentage equally, but basis method is different. Basis method is completely different. Okay, so I will discuss with you basis today, but I will explain you on Monday about the basis. The explanation will be just I will give you brief about now about basis, but in detailed explanation I will give you on Monday explanation. So here the basis method, what is this basis method means? What is this basis method means? For fixed weight, fixed percentage are equally, the source is constant. The source is constant and destination is based on the percentage, that is. Now if it is a basis, suppose take the example sales. I have a company in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, I have 4 branches. One is in Dilshuk Nagar. One is in Dilshuk Nagar. Another one is in Amirpet. One more is in Kukatpalli. Another one is in Chandanagar. There are 4 branches. Okay. One is Dilshuk Nagar. Another one is Amirpet. Another one is Kukatpalli. Another one is Chandanagar. 4 branches. Now here sales is happened in this month 20 lakhs. Here sales is happened 25 lakhs. And here sales is happened 30 lakhs. And here sales is happened 22 lakhs. Then advertisement expenditure. So total advertisement expenditure is suppose 1 lakh rupees. Then I need to distribute some amount here. I need to distribute some amount here. I need to distribute some amount here. I need to distribute amount some here. Something. Now, if it is changed, this is constant like expenses. It may be vary. Now, sales is increased here. Then values will be changed. If the sales is happened here, something, the value is changed. So, like source also keep on changing and destination also keep on changing. That is called basis method. This is called basis method. Understood? This is business unit. And this is advertisement expenditure. So source is not one. For normal methods, for these methods, it is only one. Source is one. For insurance or any methods, equally fixed percentage, fixed weight are equally, only source one. And destination, it is multiple options. Multiple options. But for this, only source is one. But whereas basis method, if it is a basis method, okay, if you go to destination, destination is changed basis differently. So look at this one. This destination is based on basis 1. And for the second one, basis is changed. Third one, basis is changed. Fourth one, basis is changed. Source is changed. It is not constant. So the first one, what is this means? In this basis, it was mapped like main account plus business unit. This is all sales 401 200 401 100 401 300 401 400 401 500. All these are sales and business unit 01. That is basis 1. Now basis 2. Basis 2 is different, has different source. So means we have ledger allocation basis. Ledger allocation basis. Understood? Basis method is completely different. Like this. So whenever you are using, I will show you once again on Monday. Okay, ledger allocation rules. In this ledger allocation rules, if it is a method basis, if it is method basis, in the destination, sources keep on changing. One time we don't have, if it is equally, source is not entered anything here. We are not entering anything here. If it is fixed weight, we are entering percentage, some weight. If it is fixed percentage, we are entering fixed percentage. Now, if it is basis method, it is keep on changing. Okay. Any doubts? Any quick questions? We'll discuss once again this one on Monday.
Okay, then
And
the
then
system uses the concept of ratio and proportions to calculate the amounts and all in basis.
Yeah, exactly.
In basis. Okay.
Because this is proportionally based on the source, it is changing this amount. This
Yeah,
is
Satya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, now initially when we have calculated the weight method, we have just given this because here it is only one dimension where we are basis which we are doing the weight allocation. Whereas in the basis there are two dimensions based on which the expenditure should be allocated so that the system will perform that allocation. Correct? That's a two-tier
Exactly.
weightage method. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
Okay. If nothing, then we can wind up the session. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up the session. We'll connect once again on Monday. I will recap once again basis method, and we will continue about once again accounting structure, financial dimension, and assets. Okay, we'll continue.
Thank you. Thanks, Satya.